In this short video, I'll show you how to see and delete old wallpapers on your iPhone. To view and delete all of your created wallpapers, first of all, open your iPhone lock screen. Once you are in your iPhone lock screen, hard press anywhere, and then here you will find all of your created wallpapers. So as you can see, this is my current wallpaper, and if I scroll to this left hand menu, as you can see, all of my old papers are loading. And now to delete any wallpaper, just swipe to the top, and here you will find this delete button. Just tap on this delete button, tap on delete this wallpaper, and the specific wallpaper will be deleted. So that's how we can easily find and delete old wallpapers in our iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.